guys, do some Ramadan skateboarding. Go! Okay, go. Wait. Hey, dude, wait. Okay. Do it. Okay, nice. Well, that's the guy who did all the tricks.
Let me just do. I'll show you that.
Alright. Go.
Ah, yeah.
Try again. Well, that was...
One more. You know what? This is the last one. I'm gonna do this one. Or whatever.
Okay, whatever. Okay, yeah, okay. That's his board. Yeah, a bunch of stickers on it. And that's him. And this is me. Okay, bye, guys.